Hey guys, I just wanted to check in with you and let you know that I hope to also get into some photography and post photo montages of God's beautiful creation. And even though this pond is not too far away from my grandmother's house and grandfather's house, it is full of life. You see there are skimmers on the surface. There is algae and stuff growing everywhere. There are little critters everywhere. Oh, there's a frog just went. But also there are tracks of. Oh, there's a froggy right there. There are tracks of a tinier bird in here. You know, I'm not sure, maybe some of you know what that is. If you know what that is, drop it in the comments. And then there is a much larger one. That is, if I'm not mistaken, that's a print of this stork looking thing. I think it's a heron. It may or may not be a great blue heron that has set up shop here. And there's 1 step, 2 steps, and not only that, we have a deer print there. My big footprint. We have well, I have seen a snapping turtle in here. I don't know if that's his print right there. However, there is something with claws in here. Looks reptilian to me. You know, it doesn't look like a footprint of a mammal with pads or anything like that. So this little piece of heaven right here is just absolutely teeming with life, and I hope to have pictures to you shortly. We got some birds. You know, if I come down here at the right time, I might even get some picture or video of bats for you guys, because there are bats that swoop down and are catching all the bugs and stuff. And you know, there's so much plant life. There's, you know, there's someone's house right up there, right up that path, and yet God has created this to be teeming with His creations, both plant matter and animal matter and everything. I'm sure you've seen the butterflies floating around me. And, well, it's absolutely beautiful. Whenever I need to de-stress, this is my happy place. This is where I come to get one-on-one time with the Lord. This is where I come to just relax and be freed from my burdens and just enjoy the sounds and the beauty and the life that is around this area. So stay tuned for a picture montage. Hopefully you guys enjoy it. Hopefully it's high enough definition, and I will catch you later, guys. Have a great day. God bless, and peace be with you.